Our immune system has two main defenders, humoral immunity and cellular immunity. Cellular immunity, also known as cell-mediated immunity, focuses on directly fighting infections, especially those inside of the cell, such as viruses or bacteria. For this branch of the immune system, it is backed up by T cells. Helper T cells sound the alarm and activate the other immune cells. Cytotoxic T cells, also known as killer cells, directly attack infections by recognizing specific signals on the surface. In this diagram, we have an infected cell with a viral antigen. The cytotoxic T cell recognizes the infection, which leads to the immune attack. The infected cell is killed. Cellular immunity is like a SWAT team, targeting and eliminating infected cells to stop the invasion. Humoral immunity, also known as antibody-mediated immunity, focuses more on neutralizing pathogens in our bloodstream or body fluids. These pathogens could be bacteria or viruses. B cells are the key players of humoral immunity. B cells are another type of white blood cell. B cells produce antibodies. When a pathogen is recognized in the body, these antigens attach to the pathogen. These antibodies kind of act like a flag or a tag on the pathogen, letting other immune cells in the body know to attack this invader. Here in the diagram, we can see how immune cells, such as lymphocytes, create specific antigens that target specific antibodies or pathogens. So when a virus or a bacteria is detected, these antigens and antibodies bind together. For example, when you receive a vaccine, B cells produce specific antibodies that target specific pathogens in the bloodstream or lymphatic fluid or body fluid. mRNA vaccines, like COVID-19 vaccine, tell the body to produce a harmless piece of virus, an antigen, so that the body creates an antibody response. Inactivated vaccines, such as the polio vaccine, are killed viruses that produce an antibody response without adding the disease. A subunit vaccine only includes a small part of the pathogen, such as with the hepatitis B vaccine, and this targets a specific immune response. Vaccines use humoral immunity to create long-lasting protection through the production of memory cells and antibodies. Vaccines introduce antigens, which are weakened or inactivated viruses, into our body. When this happens, B cells, which are white blood cells, are activated to target and identify the pathogen. Once activated, B cells transform into plasma cells, which are able to target the antigens with specific antibodies. Some of these activated B cells can become memory cells, which therefore create a long-lasting protection over time through memory. Humoral immunity can be compared to more like a spy network, hunting down and identifying pathogens or invaders to let the other cells know to eliminate and destroy them. Where the cellular immunity was more of like a fighting, attacking response, this is more about identifying pathogens and neutralizing them, maybe with the help of other immune cells. In summary, cellular immunity is about killing infected cells directly, where humoral immunity is more about tagging and identifying these pathogens in the body fluid or the bloodstream and then neutralizing it from then. Together, humoral and cellular immunity work together as a team to fight infections in your body.